Welcome back to another video update. You're now looking at the new bathrooms which will be operational within the coming weeks. I'm now standing in the business center which will be open for operation within the next couple of weeks. I'm now standing in the Chives dining room where we're in the process of our final touch-up and cleanup before the furniture will begin to be assembled and placed for the opening within the next couple of weeks. I'm now standing in the Main Street Cafe where we removed the temporary wall that was up between the construction zone and the finished cafe area. We also finished installing decorative wall panels and are getting ready for a furniture delivery and opening it up in the next couple of weeks. I'm now standing in the Community Life office where we're finishing all of our final touch-ups. Stay tuned for the next update to see the store progress along with the finished great room and billiard space.